Imagine a 25-foot-high wall of molasses rushing through the streets of Boston at 35 miles per hour. This was the surreal scene on January 15, 1919, in what became known as the Great Molasses Flood. A storage tank burst, releasing 2.3 million gallons of molasses, tragically claiming 21 lives and injuring 150. The sticky wave demolished buildings and overturned vehicles, leaving a path of destruction in its wake. The cleanup lasted months, with traces of molasses found in the area for years. An unexpected disaster that forever changed the city's landscape and safety regulations.